Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. My name is Mohammad Rafi and you are watching Raytech Studio. Well guys, we are back with another new exciting liquid cooler review, but this time this liquid cooler is recently been introduced into the market and we are talking about none other than the most sexiest liquid cooler from LIAN Galahad 2 guys. And yes, this time LIAN has given you a whole new colorful display and the latest 8th generation Acertec pump in the CPU head of this liquid cooler guys, and we are so much thankful to the LIAN for sending us this liquid cooler guys, and also for releasing this liquid cooler into the market guys, because after the successful release of Galahad 1, most of the people were waiting for something next level from the LIAN, and the LIAN has done it again guys. Well, LIAN has given different variants and versions of this Galahad 2 liquid cooler into the market guys. Well, you can select in between the 360 or 280 versions, and also you can select in between the black or the white color guys, and also in this liquid cooler you can select the choice of RGB fans or the RGB SL Infinity fans guys. Well, today we will be reviewing this liquid cooler from start to end in detail, so do watch the video till end guys. Before moving further guys, quickly go down and press the subscribe button. Yes, over here, it's just this far guys. Just press the subscribe icon and the bell icon so you can receive the updates from our upcoming videos as well. Well, starting from the design language guys, the Galahad 2 has quite an innovative design language with its 2.88 inch IPS LCD screen guys. It has a resolution of 480 into 480 pixels guys with 178 degrees viewing angle. We gotta say guys, it steals the viewer's attention in no time. Also guys, there are two RGB strips around the LCD display guys, which makes the design even more stunning. The LCD display has a peak brightness of 500 nits and it's 24-bit full color panel guys. Moreover, LIAN is featuring 4 layers to achieve the completely personalized display system, which takes the customization of the AIO on a brand new level guys. You can assess the unique screen effects guys through layer by layer customization by using the LConnect 3 software, which you can download from the LIAN site. LIAN is also featuring the screen recording function guys, and also the screen capturing functions that can help you to display your favorite animation or video guys on the LCD display on the pump head guys. No doubt the LCD screen, its features are the main selling point of this AIO. Talking about the fans guys, the Galahad 2 LCD comes with the pre-installed 120mm high performance ARGB fans that can support quick link daisy chain through cable connections. This makes the cable management even more easier and also saves the time in the installation as well. The fan speed varies from 300 to 2450 RPMs with 30 decibels a noise level and with a airflow of 79.9 CFM at maximum speed. Well, the ARGB on these fans are quite stunning and up to the mark. Well, the radiator comes into 280mm and the 360mm sizes guys, both in black and white, and we have the 360mm in black version guys. The radiator build quality is quite decent. The Galahad 2 LCD radiator is 30mm thick, which is a single wave radiator fin design of 20 fins per inch, which results in less airflow restriction and improves the overall thermal performance when they are paired with less static pressure fans like the SL Infinity fans. So this is pretty big change in our opinion. Moreover guys, the tube length is 385 millimeter and 45-degree bent tubing connectors allow the tubes to move in 360 directions, which is really cool. This makes the whole installation quite convenient for the user. Now guys, talking about the CPU pump of this Galahad 2 liquid cooler guys, they are using the latest Acertec 8th generation pumps guys, which can ramps up to 3600 RPMs and produces a noise level of 32.1 decibels. This pump runs a bit loud on full speed, also comes with a pre-applied thermal paste and fixed mounting brackets, which saves a lot of time, to be honest guys. Well, these fittings on the pump are at 90 degree and due to the fixed mounting bracket guys, which is basically in square format, you can orient the pump according to your own choice. However, according to the testing, we think if the tubes are at the bottom, the results are even much more better than the other orientation. Now guys, let's quickly set up and see how it performs in the real life.
So firstly guys, you have to download the L-Connect 3 software from LianLI site, and as you guys can see over here that I have already downloaded it. And opening up the L-Connect 3 software, just going into the Galahad 2 LCD tab, you can see over here that there are all of the controls that you can use in order to customize your Galahad 2 LCD screen. First we have the LCD screen, next we have the screen LEDs, and lastly we also have the fans LED. So moving towards the screen, there are some of the pre-applied templates that you can use in order to customize the LCD screen, as you guys can see over here. Also you can control the brightness of the screen by turning this slider. Next, in the image and the video tab, you can see over here that you can add an image, or you can screen capture an image, or you can also record a screen recording that is limited up to 3 minutes, as you guys can see over here. Next we have the background option. There you can change the background of the screen according to your own taste. And if you guys want to add some text in order to show the CPU temp or the GPU temp, that you can also add over here, but at the same time you can only install only 2 of them, no more than 2. And if you want to change the layout, that can also be changed from over this tab over here. Last but not the least, we have the watermark, which can be used to add any of the watermark in the background, and its opacity can also be changed from over here, as well as the horizontal and the vertical placement can also be changed. Moving towards the screen LEDs, you guys can easily see that there are some of the pre-applied themes that you can use in order to get the RGB effect around the AIO LCD screen. And last we have the fans LED. So it is also quite simple. There are some of the presets available that can be used quite easily, and if you don't want to use them, then you can easily move towards the static color and change the color of the RGB fans according to your own liking. The screen LED can also be synced with the LEDs of the fan by toggling on this toggle over here. And lastly, if you guys want to change the fan and the pump profile, that can also be changed over here from quiet towards the full speed. Similarly, it also works for the pump. So guys, this was it about the L-Connect 3 software and the Galahad 2. I hope it is quite easy to work around.
Talking about the price and the warranty, the price of the Galahad 2 LCD with regular fans is $249 USD dollars, guys, and also LianLI is giving you a warranty of 6 years, guys, which is I think quite a lot. Overall, we are impressed by this AIO, guys. You should only buy it if you have budget. Well, this was the LianLI Galahad 2 LCD all-in-one liquid cooler, guys. Huge thumbs up if you like, and get yourself subscribed to the channel, guys, and like always, I will see you into the next one now. Thank you.